Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to our 60-day senior fitness series. Today is day 41, and I am so happy that you are here with me. If this is your first time joining us, do not worry. You can start right now, and you will benefit just as much. Remember, consistency is key, and every single day you exercise, you are making your body stronger, your balance better, and your energy higher. Get ready to move safely, follow along, and let's make today's session fun and effective. Exercise. 1. Sit to stand, chair squats. Before we begin, make sure you have a sturdy chair placed on a flat surface. Sit comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart and cross your arms over your chest. Keep your back straight and chest lifted. Are you ready? Let's start together. 1. Stand up slowly. 2. Sit back down. 3. Up again. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Amazing work! Halfway through, how are you feeling? Keep going. You are doing incredible, and your legs are getting stronger with every repetition. Remember, every sit to stand counts, and you are improving your strength, balance, and mobility each time. Exercise 2, standing leg lifts. Now that we have completed our first exercise, let us move on to exercise 2, standing leg lifts. This exercise will strengthen your legs and improve your balance. Stand behind your chair for support. Place your hands gently on the back of the chair and make sure your feet are hip-width apart. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. We will lift one leg at a time, slowly and carefully. Are you ready? Let us begin with the right leg first. 1. Lift your right leg slowly. 2. Lower it gently. 3. Lift. 4. Lower. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Great job. Take a deep breath. How are you keeping your balance? Remember to share in the comments from which country you are watching. Now, let us switch to the left leg. 1. Lift slowly. 2. Lower. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic. You are doing amazing. These standing leg lifts are helping your legs stay strong and your balance steady. Keep practicing, and every day you will feel stronger and more confident in your movements. Exercise is great, but exercise alone is not enough to truly improve your health. That's why I highly recommend Nagano Tonic, a unique blend of natural nutrients that boosts your metabolism, melts stubborn fat, increases energy, and helps you feel younger from the inside out. Many seniors see results faster when combining their daily exercises with this tonic. Without it, your progress may stay slow and limited. Check the link in the description to get yours before the offer ends. Exercise 3. Heel raises. Calf strengthening. Now we will move on to our final exercise for today, heel raises, which will strengthen your calves and improve stability. Stand behind your chair and hold on to the back for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged. We will rise onto our toes slowly and lower back down gently. Make sure to breathe evenly as you move. Let us begin together. 1. Lift up onto your toes. 2. Lower down. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Keep breathing. You are building strength. How are your calves feeling? Remember, every single raise counts, and you are improving balance, circulation, and leg strength with each repetition. Congratulations, dear friends! You have successfully completed all 3 exercises today. How are you feeling now? Take a deep breath and notice your legs and calves. Stronger already, right? Make sure to share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can join you in these exercises and benefit as well. Do not forget to comment below and tell me about your experience, how your body feels, and what was challenging today. I am so proud of you for completing day 41. Keep moving, stay consistent, and I will see you tomorrow for day 42 of our senior fitness journey. Remember, every day you exercise is a step toward a stronger, healthier, and more confident you.